Yes, they're more.
Your name? And if you have a Twitter account. Your plan.
Eiropas gads attīstībai ir unikāls, jo pirmo reizi Eiropas tematiskais gads ir veltīts ar ārpolitiku saistītiem jautājumiem. 2015. gads ir atskaites punkts, kad izvērtēt paveikto kopš 2000. gada, kad visas pasaules valstis apņēmās sasniegt tūkstošgadas attīstības mērķus. Šie mērķi, kas ir vērsti uz nabadzības mazināšanu, veselības, izglītības un vides jautājumu risināšanu, ir panākuši daudz. Eiropas gada attīstībai atklāšana Rīgai ir simboliska, jo Latvija ir viens no visredzamākajiem piemēriem attīstības sadarbības efektivitātei un rezultātu ilgtspējai.
One of the priorities of the new Commission is to strengthen Europe as a global actor. Europe can only be a global actor if Europeans understand how the role of the European Union and its member states benefits us all in our interdependent world. And since 2015 is an important year in this regard, it is very timely to have a European year for development that will seek to foster the direct engagement of our citizens.
It's our opportunity and our responsibility to focus our efforts on ensuring ambitious and transformational sustainable development goals, to tackle poverty, inequality, and to promote basic rights everywhere, and to focus on getting a deal to stop global temperatures rising beyond 2 degrees centigrade, threatening lives and livelihoods.
Principle of growth as a basis for European prosperity has always been accompanied by a very fundamental principle of solidarity. And solidarity and redistribution, or rather the sharing of wealth between those who have more and those who have less. And this is not the old Marxist idea or Robin Hood's idea of taking from the rich and giving to the poor, although partly there is such an element in it. But it's rather a way of making sure that the poor find ways of becoming more prosperous, and that we do not have any poor who are left behind in society. That is the whole point. I'm pleased to hear, and we were all, I think, pleased to hear this morning, how the Millennium Development Goals of the United Nations that were announced in 2000, the year around 2000, by now in 2015, largely have been successful in many fields. However, a great deal, of course, remains to be done.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to raise awareness with the European Union citizens and taxpayers on how our work is making a difference in some of the world's poorest countries. I would say that even from the very beginning we have not so bad, quite a comfortable understanding and recognition by the European citizens on the European engagement in the development contribution and development solidarity in the world. According to Eurobarometer, more than 80% of European citizens are in favor of keeping that leading European role in development assistance to our partners in the world. And more than 2/3 of the European citizens are in favor of having this contribution even higher, at a higher level.
Es gribētu minēt vairākas jomas, kurās es redzu tiešām nepieciešamību investēt, kuras es redzu kā prioritātes. Pirmkārt, tās ir cilvēktiesības, otrkārt, laba pārvaldība un atbildīgas institūcijas, jo, manuprāt, mēs labi redzam, ka bez funkcionējošas valsts pārvaldes, bez likuma varas, faktiski liela daļa no, un tā, diemžēl, varbūt dažreiz ir bijusi negatīva pieredze, liela daļa no paredzētajiem līdzekļiem nevienmēr sasniedz savu mērķi. Tā kā laba pārvaldība attiecīgi attīstības valstīs ir būtiska. Dzimuma līdztiesība ir pilnīgi noteikti vēl viena prioritāte, ko mēs vēlētos arī veicināt un ko mēs vēlētos redzēt pietiekami labi attainot kopīgā Eiropas Savienības pozīcijā saistībā ar attīstības sadarbību.